And what was that? Could you use it as? Who has an idea of what we could use that as? A frog. Yeah, do it again. Yeah, sounds like a bullfrog. All right, who else wants to share theirs? Go ahead. Cool. So they're using the same utensil, but they're rubbing it on a different surface. What does that sound like?
It could be a duck or a banjo.
A duck or a banjo. Cool. Any other ideas?
Ninja Slash.
Sound board? Yeah.
You could use this as like someone that falls.
Yeah, like a big thud. Your favorite calls. Alright, who else wants to share theirs? Go ahead.
This actually has 4 sounds in one.
Awesome.
That sounds more of the.
So what could you use some of those sounds for?
This one would be probably a gunshot or a cannon.
Yeah, it's really loud.
This one could be a drum.
Yeah. Good. Alright, you want to go ahead and share yours?
Thunder and
Awesome. Thunder and lightning. Alright, you want to go ahead and share yours?
Bubble slice.
Good. So that's kind of like rain coming down on a surface. Is that everyone? All right, here's mine. This is just a sawing wood. Hold on. I made it a little too big. All right. So when we do our sound effects, iMovie has sounds built into it already that you can use. That's the easiest way to add your sound if you want. Or we can do voice recordings. And there's also free websites. You'll just have to Google free sound effects, and you can download those in a file form and then upload them into iMovie. And I'll show you how to do that once we get to that point. But for now, we're going to interview the voice actor, and then from there we'll go upstairs to the lab. And anyone who needs to keep photographing, just keep doing that now. So everyone, go ahead and put the stuff back here and go back to the